What is going on, everyone? Platinum B is coming at you with yet another video. Today we're going to be talking about why it's a good idea to diversify into mining stocks, and specifically precious metal mining stocks. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so if you've been stacking for a while or you just stack in general, you might have been interested in learning more about precious metal stocks, so to speak. Now, one thing I want to get across in the beginning is paper shares of precious metals I don't really believe in. I don't stack paper platinum, paper palladium, paper gold, or paper silver. Regardless of whether the fund actually backs it with physical precious metals, I don't see the value in buying the paper market as far as stacking precious metals. However, one thing I do believe in is mining stocks, right? And I have holdings in only just one mining company as of yet, but I plan on doing more research and seeing what else is out there to take a look at. But one thing we are going to take a look at is the one mining company that I have purchased. Now, full disclosure, I am not sponsored or asked to talk about this company. I just invested my own money into it because I thought that there was a potential future for my investment to grow, and it has. And we're going to take a look at that, and we're going to see what all has occurred since I invested in the mining company and the stock known as Vail, right? Vail is a very interesting company because they mine metals, and they don't just mine platinum, but platinum is a part of their overall metal mining portfolio. And they are a great company to invest in for sure. They pay dividends, which I love. I am a dividend king when it comes to stock markets. And they also are a platinum miner. So that is a +1 in my book. If they're mining the metal that I believe in the most, then I personally like that about the company. But we're going to take a look at the company as a whole, where it's gone since I invested, and how I've made money from investing in a mining company. If you were thinking about investing in a precious metal mining company, take a look at the different options out there. There's many different ones to choose from. Whatever metal you feel the strongest about, I would suggest researching more into that metal, whether it's platinum, silver, or gold, and see the history of the company as a whole. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to go over to the screen cam, and we're going to take a look at Vail, where I bought it, where it's at now, and just give you some more general thoughts on my ideas about the company as a whole. So I will see y'all over there. Okay, everyone. So what we're looking at here is the historical quote chart for Vail, the popular mining stock. Now, as I mentioned, I own shares in this company. And we're going to take a look at where I bought it at, where it's at right now, and the money I've made and things of that nature. And we're also going to discuss dividends a little bit. So, in my opinion, Vail pays a very decent dividend. In fact, a very good dividend, I'd even say. And as you all know, and as I've mentioned before, I am a dividend king when it comes to stocks, so I love stocks that pay dividends. So the fact that I can get a mining stock that mines platinum and pays a dividend is a win-win-win for me. Now, I was a little hesitant getting into mining because I had not invested in mining companies before buying my shares of Vail, but let's take a look and see where we've ended up. So I bought 32 shares on March 17th, 2021, which is right here, as you can see in the top left corner, March 17th, 2021. It opened at 1711. It had a high of 1764 and a low of 1703 for the day. Now, if we take a look at where we're at today, we are looking at an open of 2151, a high of 2176, and a low of 2120. And today is August 2nd, 2021. So if you're watching this video after that date, it very well could be different. However, as you can see here, from March 17th to today, what we're looking at is almost a $4 increase per share. So times 32 shares, that is some quick math here. 4 times 32, that's an increase of $128 overall. I also have had a dividend payout since I first originally purchased it, which I will show across the screen, of about $14. So this company has paid me $14 in dividends, has increased in $128, and all I had to do was make that initial investment into the company. Now, I could have lost money in that, and that's what stock market is all about. It's winning or losing, and either or could occur. Now, if I purchased it way back here in the 2020s, I would have made a substantially larger amount of money. However, this stock has shown that it just continues to go up and up and up, which is interesting. And it really stems a lot from Platinum. If you all have been watching Platinum closely, you know December of 2020 was when it really started to take off, and it's slowly gone up ever since then. However, this has moved slightly different than Platinum spot price. This has moved at a different pace, and it has gone up, in my opinion, differently than Platinum. We've seen Platinum go up very high from around December to February and then kind of float along. However, this stock went up in December with Platinum, but it also shot up a good amount in April and has floated in the 20s ever since. It could even go higher. That is because this mining company is not only involved in mining platinum, it is involved in mining many different metals as a whole. So this is a great reason why it's good to diversify into mining companies. If you were thinking about it, there is potential to make profit here that you may not have made in actually stacking the actual metals, because every mining company is different, and investing in a company is very different than investing in simply just the metal. So that's the point I'm trying to get across in this video, is why it's a good idea to diversify into mining stocks. I know it's not for everyone, and so different people are going to have different opinions on the matter, but I'm just sharing my opinion, my thoughts, my feelings, and my own experiences with you all in this video today. So in conclusion, guys, do what is best for you at the end of the day. Everyone's scenario and everyone's situation is different, but if you are an investor in the stock market, you may want to take a look at mining stocks in the precious metals field, because there is potential for gains in those certain areas. So at the end of the day, guys, I hope you were able to maybe learn a little bit or see a little insight into my thoughts and opinions and ideas on precious metal mining stocks, why I invest in them, why I like doing that as a whole, and what my thoughts are. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. Do you invest in mining companies? What mining companies do you see as the best stock market investment as far as mining companies are concerned? With all that being said, guys, I appreciate everyone for stopping by and checking out the video today. Be sure to hit the like button down below. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And until next time, guys, we will see ya.